Didako. Didako.
Lista mataikia. Kannan naikia.
Why there's a lot of dogs? There's a dog there.
I can't believe it every day and night. You are the only one who's on my mind. In your eyes when I'm not aware, you left a scar. I fall into your lies all again. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go?
is the night, or this is the eve of New Year, guys, here in Larissa. It's really very quiet. Yes, remember last year, there's a lot of people walking around here. But now, this year, since there's still on lockdown, still
The shops are not signal lights, Christmas lights.
no, some they have. You see, it's empty, the chairs. Oh, this is the city of Larissa, guys. It's really empty. Standard is only this one. It's so small, so cutie. And yours is same price, and yours is cold. Hot one. Oh, mine is cappuccino, guys. Yeah. Quite cold here, but it's not really cold right now. It's only, I think, do you know what's the temperature right now? Baby, do you know what's the temperature right now? Around 30 degrees. Yeah, it's only 30 degrees Celsius. It's not so cold. It's not freezing like last time. Oh, it's like my flower is so cold. So we're just walking around the city, guys, because it's eve of New Year. Tomorrow is gonna be the New Year. So we're just walking around, and actually it's not the normal. The shop is open. This is open. Some of the shops are open. It's already dark, guys. We're going up there. We're gonna see. Last time it was a busy restaurant down there, but now I think it's quiet. See the entrance, there's no lights. I remembered last year we went here. It was so busy. Restaurants are all open, and now it's all closed. Some of the shops, they are closed, guys. Restaurants, they are closed. I don't know if they are open. They're only open for takeaway. Yeah, see the chairs. Oh, oh my. I think it's the restaurant where we ate last time. Yes, yes, I remember. We had some lucky there. Oh, oh. Some of the restaurants are only open for takeaway. Oh, so sad place now. Last time it was the busiest place here during if there is any celebration like Christmas and New Year. But look at here now, guys. It's like an abandoned place. It's like abandoned. Yeah, because the leaves are everywhere. Some of the streets are very dark. There's no light. Luckily, this one is open. I think the shops. Are they open? They have Christmas lights. I think they're only open for takeaway. Hi guys, so we're here in Flurier. I don't know if I pronounce it right, but my husband says Flurier. Yes, we're just walking around here, guys. And I spotted a Christmas light. I'm gonna show you. Let's see. Yes, there's a Christmas light there. And some Christmas lights there. Oh, last time this restaurant. Oh yeah. Yeah, I remember this club. This bar. Last time we had here, right? There was a table here, there, and we had a drink there. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is also the restaurant where we had dinner last time. Yeah, Christmas dinner. Christmas. Yeah, it was last Christmas. Yes, we had here. We had dinner here. Oh, but it's now closed. It was a very busy place here last time, but now it's really very quiet. It's only for recycle. Yes, we gotta play it. There's also instructions. Convenience shop still open. Only the convenience shop are open. There. We had lunch here. Orange shop. after winter, the day is shorter. So now we're heading to the square. We're gonna see the Christmas tree there. Oops. Ayan. So here is there's a little bit of pharmacy. You're gonna go to the pharmacy. He's gonna go to the pharmacy. He's gonna buy alcohol. Why are you gonna buy alcohol?